understanding the phrase, born loser, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might have heard, born loser. What does it mean, and how can you use it in a conversation? Stay with us to find out. The phrase, born loser, is an idiomatic expression used to describe a person who seems to fail more often than others, regardless of their efforts. It's important to note that this term is negative and can be offensive. It suggests that the person has an innate inability to succeed. The term, born loser, isn't literal but figurative. It comes from the idea that some people are destined to fail due to their traits or luck, right from birth. However, it's a stereotype and not based on real capabilities or effort. When using the term, be cautious. It's often used in a humorous or self-deprecating manner rather than to criticize others. For example, I forgot my umbrella again. I'm such a born loser when it comes to remembering things. To avoid offending someone, you can use phrases like, down on their luck, or, having a rough time. These are more compassionate and encouraging. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, born loser. Remember, language is powerful, and the words we choose can have a big impact. Use this phrase carefully and kindly. Hope this video helps you understand and use English phrases more effectively. See you next time.